The MatchX M2 Pro Miner, the awesome low-powered miner, is now getting even better with a version of the DataDash app that's even more secure than ever before. Today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be reviewing the features of the new DataDash app, which is version 3.0.1. Stay tuned. Okay, so MatchX and the M2 Pro Miner, a very awesome low-powered miner indeed. And now there is a new critical update to the DataDash app, which is going to be version 3.0.1. And some of the features I have been waiting myself for a very long time to see. So well done, MatchX. Looking forward to this update, which is now out and it is now live for everyone because it is essential. Here on my screen, I am going to be explaining some of the new features. So on the MXC Foundation Twitter page, you can find some of the latest news. One of them is the DataDash app version 3.0.1 feature update, which is going to finally include two-factor authentication security features, biometrics for login, capture requirement for specific actions, fixed issue with dynamic withdrawal fees, improved MXC withdrawal flow, and some other minor bug fixes. This is available for both Android users and for Apple users. So if you're an Android user, you can download this from the Google Play Store. If you're an Apple user, you can immediately download this as well from the App Store, Apple App Store. I'm going to leave a link to the MXC Foundation Twitter feed as well, and you can check that out at your leisure too. I have been going on about this quite some time because maybe if you've seen my previous videos, you know that some of my MXC funds were stolen because I had thought I had enabled two-factor authentication when in actual fact I didn't. And at that time, the app didn't even prompt you to do so. Now, with the new app version, there is more robustness in this area, and it's going to be much better for you and will give you more peace of mind so that you can protect your MXC funds, and now coming soon also your Bitcoin mining funds much better. So well done, and thank you so much for listening to the people, MatchX, and for actually taking this seriously and helping to put guides out there. Now, since I'm on the subject of two-factor authentication and guides, there is also a guide, a YouTube guide that MXC Foundation have released as well. So do check that out. I'm going to leave a link down below my video so you can check out this video as well. And this will give you a good detailed guide of how you can set up two-factor authentication within the DataDash app as well. So guys, I just wanted to let you know about this. If you haven't yet updated your DataDash app, you're going to be prompted to do so because previous versions will no longer be supported. So it's going to actually force you to update the application, because if you don't do that, you're not going to be able to manage your miner. So you won't be able to open up the application anymore. And I welcome that a lot because that will make you actually upgrade and not forget to upgrade to the latest version, because this has so many essential security features in it that it is mandatory that you do so to protect yourself as well. So guys and girls, I thank you for watching my video. I hope that you found it useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.